Class, class.
Yes, yes.
All eyes on the board. All right. So now that you use your little beaks to pick up the food, let's see what we will be doing next.
Dump the food back into the test area and pick up the other beak.
So,
Use it to put food in your cup. What's the best way to get food? Experiment and talk with your partners to figure it out.
excuse me.
There are many ways to pick up food with this beak.
Now, I am going to pass out a pair of scissors. You're going to cut the side. Let me show you. 1, 2. You should be in your group. You should be in your group on your spots. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, and you should be in your spot. Jace, where should you be? Where's your spot? What's your group? Not your learning spot, silly. Okay. Is everybody in their spot? All right. 1, 2.
Eyes on you.
1, 2.
Eyes on you.
I want you to empty your food out in the middle. Empty your food out in the middle. When you're done, you're going to quietly show me you're ready. With my eyes and my ears, you're going to show me you're ready for the next direction. Good job. I see Elijah sitting crisscross applesauce. I see Bianca sitting crisscross applesauce. Good job. I see Dahlia's eyes on me. I see Zach's voice is off and he's ready. I'm going to pass each group a pair of scissors. You're going to cut the side. 1, 2. How many times?
2.
How many times?
2.
2. And that's how you're going to get your little beak. You'll pass the scissors to your next friend. What was the direction, Zach? Can you tell me what was the first thing I'm going to do?
You're going to give us scissors, then you're going to cut.
Oh, excuse me, 1 second. Okay.
Then you're going to cut how many sides? 2.
How many sides?
2.
2. And then you're going to what? What are you going to do next? Then pass the scissors. And when you're done, after everyone has cut their cup, you're going to hand me the scissors. You got it?
Got it.
Jace. Oh, I don't see you ready. Show me you're ready. Here you go. You're going to cut them first, and then when you're done cutting, you're going to sit quietly and wait for me to tell you what's next.
Now you gotta cut in the inside.
Do you need help? You want to try that side? Go ahead.
I just poke it in.
Got it? There you go.
I just poke it in.
Well, we can't poke it.
Is
your sides cut? Did you cut your sides cut? Okay. All right, Stephen, that's good. Good job. Now pass them to, and here's your stomach. I'm walking around, I'm going to pass you out your stomach, because now we're using the other cups for our beaks, so you need stomachs now. Do you need help? Okay, I can come and help you. Yes, there you go. See, you got it. All right, now cut this side.
I can do it without doing anything because
Thank you. Hold on, I'm gonna come right back over. I'll come walk around and collect your scissors. Does everybody have their beak ready?
No, that doesn't mean they're not stronger.
How can you show me you're ready for your stomach? How can you show me ready for your stomach? Did you are you ready for your stomach? You already have one. So look at friends. 1, 2.
I love you.
1, 2.
I love you.
When you have your beak, we're not gonna scoop up our food. Look it. We really want to like either scoop it up or either use it like a mouth, right? Try it. See if you can pick up. Who needs a stomach? Another stomach.
I need a stomach.
Can I have your scissors if you're done?
Oh, yeah, I need a stomach.
Awesome.
I need
Thank
a
you.
stomach.
Raise your hand if you need it. There you go. Are you done with your scissors? Can I have your scissors? Thank you. Any other friends have scissors they need to give me? Are you done with your scissors, Antonio? Can I have them, please? Can I have them, please? All right, when you're done eating all your food, when your beak picked up all the food, I want you to turn your bodies quietly.
Miss Jackson, the hell is that dog?
I want you to turn your bodies quietly and face the board. When you're ready. You're showing me you're ready. See if somebody wants to share their food real quick. No, just spread it out on the floor. Spread some out on the floor for him. Antonio, give him some too. There you go. How can you show me you're ready? 1, 2. Three. We're just waiting for Jace. That's all. I know you were. All right, everybody shoot. Good job, Jace.
Discuss.
All right, so 1, 2. 1, 2. I see Antonio's eyes are on me. Zach's eyes are on me. Good job. Elijah's sitting nicely and his voice is off. Maria's crisscross applesauce. Maria's crisscross applesauce. Anthony's sitting nicely, I see, and he's quiet. I want to ask you a question. I want you to raise your hand. Which beak do you think gets food into its stomach faster? Which one did you think got into its stomach faster? Was it the smaller beak or was it the beak that we had to scoop it up? I want you to raise your hand. I see a lot of friends' hands are up. Anthony, which one do you think was the faster one? It was the bigger beak was faster because you could scoop it up. Who else agrees? Can you raise your hand if you think the bigger beak was faster? Raise your hand. We'll take a vote. Eyes should be on me. I see Elijah's hand. He's ready. He thinks the bigger beak is faster. Okay, good job. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 friends. How many friends? 6. Can you show me the number 6 on your hands? I just want to see if you know what 6 looks like. 6. 6 friends think that the bigger beak is faster. You have to raise your hand. Who thinks the smaller beak? Who thinks the smaller beak was faster? Raise your hand if you think the smaller beak was faster. Let's count. Raise it up high so I can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 friends. Can you show me the number 8 on your hand? 8. What does 8 look like? Show me what 8 looks like. It should be 5 and how many more? 3. So 6 friends said that the bigger beak, right? Which was this one, was faster, and 8 friends said that the Little Beak was faster. How many friends do we have all together today? Let's see. One. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14. So, if we add these two numbers together, should they equal 14?
Yeah.
Who wants to add? Who wants to add them together? Antonio, you want to try? Let's see. What could we do to add these numbers together if we don't know just by looking? What could we draw? Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Can you friends do me a favor and put your beaks down on the carpet for me so that we can have all eyes on Antonio while we do our math expression? I know we're doing science, but I know we also been practicing what in math?
Science.
Not science. We've been practicing what in math?
Math.
We have been practicing math, but what have we been working on? Zach, do you know what we've been working on?
Expression.
Math expressions, right? And math equations. So, Antonio, what can we do to see if that answer is right? Everybody's eyes should be looking at Antonio.
You got make dots.
You can make dots. How many dots will we make for this?
8.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then how many dots do we make for this number, friends? 8. So 1, 2, 3, count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count all together to see if that number's right. It should come to what number? What number should it be? 14. Hold on 1 second. Friends, what should we be doing with the stuff that's on the rug? Who can tell me? What was my direction? Elijah. Leave it on the ground. So should we be playing with it? Right. So Maria and Elijah's not playing with it. You have to hold on. We just used the bathroom, right? So we have to hold on because we just had a bathroom break. And someone's in there now. So can you crisscross applesauce for me? And let's see if we have the right amount. Gigi, what do you need? And please crisscross so you won't hurt friends.
And that equals 4.
Let's see. We're going to count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Were we right?
Yeah.
So that means that everybody took a vote. That means everybody took a vote. And 8 friends said the smaller one was faster than the 6. Which number is bigger? Is 8 bigger than 6?
Yeah.
Yes. All right.
I have somebody help me figure this out.
Good. That's good.
So, somebody's
But we just figured out Antonio all together as a group. Right? So let's see. Can we sit down and let's see what's next in science?
Now you're going to change your test area. Each test area gets a cup of beans. You're going to pretend these beans are rocks. Scatter beans with the food. Mix them up.
Scatter the food, everyone.
So, who can raise their hand and tell me what's the next direction? Zach.
You're gonna get beans. You're gonna spread them out, and then you're gonna
Wait for the next direction. Good job, Zach. So, Jace, what should we be doing with the beans? Can you tell me? Not the what should we be doing with the beans? Spreading them out. So I can't give them to you if your food's not spread out already. And you're not crisscross applesauce. In your spot. Make sure you're in the spot. And wait for the next direction. So we're going to leave these right here. And we're going to wait for the next direction. You know you're recording, right? So if I send this to mommy and she sees you, I'm recording on my phone. It doesn't matter where it's recording, trust me. I'm pretty sure she won't be happy.
Yes, it is.
All right. 1, 2. No, I didn't hear a lot of voices. 1, 2.
I got you.
Okay. Now, I want you to look forward. You have to hold on. I need everybody crisscross applesauce in their spot that I told you to sit in. We're gonna watch to see what our next step is.
Your bird wants to get the food, but it doesn't want to fill its stomach with rocks. Try using each beak to get food. Which beak is better at getting food without getting rocks?
So which beak is better getting food without the rocks? You're gonna try. Go ahead.
It's gonna be good. No, see, that's what.
No, let him do it. You gotta do it yourself. You make sure you don't get any rocks.
So the beans are the rocks.
Nope. The beans are the rocks. Yes, they are. I'm sorry. The beans are the rocks. Make sure you're not getting any of the rocks. You're trying to see which beak is better. So you want to try both. Make sure you try both beaks.
Slow down.
Make sure we're sharing.
She's not letting me have any.
Try a different beak, Joliani. You gotta try different beaks, not just the skinny one. Try the bigger beak. Switch your beaks. Switch your beaks, Joliani. Switch your beak. This is your other beak right here. Try that one out. Try that beak. Do not pick up the rocks. Can you try a different beak and see? Good job sharing, Elijah. Good job. You can try it one more time. You can spread the food out one more time. That's why it's a test. Try it again. Empty it out. Empty it out. Empty all the food out and try again.
I just ate it. Try it again.
Try a different beak, Dahlia. Try this beak.
No, that's not a real beak. That's like a raw beak. You're supposed to get. I keep getting it. I keep getting the broom.
Good job, friends. Which one do you think is easier?
I think it's the big one.
You think it's
This one is too tiny.
Yeah, but you think it's easier to get the bigger one without getting the rocks?
I only got two. I look